how to play the scales, any scale on any pitch. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and again C, C sharp. It goes on like in a circle. In total 12. A sharp is same as B flat. C sharp is same as D flat. So whenever you see C sharp major scale and D flat major scale, remember both are the same. There are reasons why it is named like that. It's called enharmonic. Same note, two different names. C sharp, this is C sharp, second string, second fret is C sharp. That is one note higher than the C, or it's one note lower than the D. D flat or C sharp. Okay. Now, remember, we will use the example of the major scale. Major scale, we need to know the pattern. Like, for example, C major scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Yeah. Between C and D, there is a note C sharp. We haven't used the C sharp note. C, we leave the second fret and we play the D. Then again, we leave the next fret and play the E. So C, leave one, take one, leave one, take one, then take the immediate next one, leave one and take the next one, leave one and take the next one, leave one and take the next one, take the immediate one. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Remember this pattern. That is, you can also call it a tone. Like when you leave one note and you play the next one, this interval is a tone. C to D is a tone. Tone, leave a tone, that is, you start from the C, leave one note, play the tone. D, leave one note, play E, play the immediate next one. You can remember the pattern as C. From C it is a tone, tone, semitone. When you're playing the immediate next note, it's a semitone. Starting from the C, there is no interval on the C alone. Between C and D there is a tone. C, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. I'm going to use this pattern. Start from any note, and we will see that we will be playing the major scale of that particular starting note. For example, I'm going to start on the first string open. First string open is E note. Okay. Starting from the E, first string open, I'm going to play tone. Leave a note and play the next note. Leave a note and play the next note. Play the immediate next note. Leave a note. Leave a note, leave a note, and play the immediate next note. You know that first string open and first string 12th fret are the same note, one octave different. It's actually twice the frequency. If you want to, in hertz, the thing you see as capital H and Z, this open string E, whatever frequency that has, it is half that of the 12th fret E. Okay. Again, remember, starting from the 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. We have already played a major scale pattern again. All I know is where to skip, between which notes I have to leave a fret. I've started from the E note. I've played based on the same pattern we found out from the C major scale. This is an E major scale. You can do it on any string. For example, second string open. Again, remember the pattern. C major scale gives us the pattern for the major scale. Remember the pattern. Leave one note, take the immediate note, leave one note, leave one note, leave one note, take the immediate note. Write it down. You can write it down as tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Remember this, start from any note. Let us take the second string open, for example. 0, leave one note, take the immediate one, leave one, take the immediate one. Open, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. That is a major scale. Second string open is B note. What we played now is B major scale. Suppose I want G major scale. Find it anywhere. For example, third string open is a G. Third string open. Follow the same pattern. We know the major scale pattern. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. That is, start from a note, leave a note, take the next one, leave a note, take the next one, take the immediate next one, then leave a note, take the next one, leave a note, take the next one, leave a note, take the next one, so on. For example, third string open, leave a note, play the next one, leave a note, take the next one, immediate next one, leave, take, leave and take, take the immediate next one. Starting from the G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp and G. We don't even have to know the notes, we just have to know the patterns. This is same if you are trying to play the Raga Shankarabharanam, for example, which is equivalent of major scale with the needed slides and the needed rules applied, you get the Raga Shankarabharanam. You can start Raga Shankarabharanam starting from any string once you know that these are the notes, the pattern, the relationship between the notes. Sa, Re 2, that is you don't use a Re 1, that is why we have left a fret there. Sa, Re 2 and then Ga 3, that is between Re 2 and Ga 3 there is a fret left. Between Ga 3 and M1 there is no fret to be left. M1 is what you use in Raga Shankarabharanam. Between Ma 1 and Pa there is one note difference. Pa to Dha 2, leave a note. Dha 2 to Ni 3, leave a note. Ni 3 to Sa, there is no note to be left. So, do that anywhere you wish. For example, if you want to play the F major scale, I know that there is an F on the 4th string 3rd fret. 4th string open is E. Sorry, 4th string open is D, D sharp, E, F. This is F. I'm going to start from this F, use the same pattern of tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, which simply means you have to start from this note, leave a note and take the next one, leave a note and take the next one, take the next one, leave a note, take the next one, leave a note, take the next one, leave a note, take the next one, and take the immediate next one. That is it. Now, it's not very convenient to play the whole scale on the same string. You have to start from here and come till here. If you have to play them in a sequence, it is not very easy to play all the notes on the same string fast. That is why we rearrange it. Again, it's the same though, the same pattern happening. First note, leave a note, take the second note. Instead of playing this note, you can find it here. This is a note, you find it here. Then follow the same pattern. Take the immediate next note, leave a note and take the next one. Leave a note and take the next one. This is a D note. You can play it here also on the second string. D note, you get it here. Leave a note and take the next one. Play the immediate next one. Now you know how to find a scale, at least a major scale on any pitch. You can just do the same thing for A sharp. For example, A sharp. Where is A? You have an A here. You find the A sharp here. Leave a note. Leave a note. Take the next one, leave a note, leave a note, leave a note, take the next one. You can rearrange it. That is a major scale. Now, any scale, minor scale, Kalyani, Dorian, Phrygian, whatever you want, you just have to find out. For example, you can use F Lydian. F Lydian has no sharps, no flats. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Those are the notes of F Lydian. Just an example. Find out what is the pattern. There you have to leave tone, 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 semitone in fact, because there is a Ga Ma 2 is being used. Between Ga 3 and Ma 2 there is one note difference. You find out the pattern, probably you may have to write it down. Find out the pattern. Now we have the pattern for that particular scale. In this case, Lydian scale, which is equivalent to the Kalyani Ragam when you have applied enough slides and enough rules to the Lydian scale. Now you can use that rule to play Lydian scale starting from any note, any pitch. That is it. For example, we will show the example. If that is the F Lydian. Leave a note, leave a note, leave a note, take the immediate next one. Leave a note, take the immediate next one. Yeah. Suppose we want to play the C Lydian scale. Remember this pattern. Tone, 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 semitone, tone, tone, semitone. So how do we do it on the C major scale? Start from the C. There is no tone, semitone for a single note. The tone and semitone happens only when you play the next note. What is the relationship between the two notes? Between C and D there is a tone. Okay. Starting from C, tone, 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 semitone, tone, tone, semitone. Sa, Re 2, Ga 3, Ma 2, Pa, Dha 2, Ni 3, Sa. Okay. Again rearranging. Yeah. One example of how you can make the major scale into Shankarabharanam on any pitch. For example, the A Shankarabharanam. This is for the major scale. Remember, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Root, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Yeah, we have it here. We apply the rules. We have to come till here. also possible. Yeah, we can play it in another way. Sa, re, ga. This ma we can shift it here. Ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga. Then here, re, sa.